In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pomofocus Timer. If you're looking for a way to boost your productivity using the Pomodoro technique, Pomofocus is a fantastic tool. Let's dive in and see how you can get started. First, head over to the pomofocus.io website. You'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface designed specifically to help you stay focused. Here, you're going to manage your tasks and set up your Pomodoro cycles. A Pomodoro is essentially a focused sprint, traditionally 25 minutes long, followed by a break. But with Pomofocus, you can customize those intervals to suit your workflow. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a box labeled for tasks. This is where you can jot down whatever it is you need to accomplish, whether it's a work project, study session, or even household chores. Adding a task helps you keep track of what you're focusing on. Typing tasks into this box is simple and intuitive. As you plan your day, I recommend listing out multiple tasks to maximize your productivity. The key thing to remember here is that breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable ones can make your sessions much more effective. Now, it's time to start the timer. There's a big friendly button right in the middle of the page waiting for you to hit start. Clicking this initiates the Pomodoro cycle. As the timer runs, try to focus solely on your task until it rings. If you're new to the Pomodoro technique, it might take some getting used to, but stick with it. It's designed to minimize distractions and maximize focus by encouraging you to work in bursts, making your productivity soar. After the timer goes off, it's time for a break. The Pomofocus timer automatically prompts you to take a short break, usually 5 minutes. This step is crucial. Use this time to stretch, grab a drink, or do a quick breather. Every 4 Pomodoros, it's wise to take a longer break, generally 15 to 30 minutes. These breaks are essential to prevent burnout and maintain high levels of productivity throughout the day. As you complete your tasks, you can mark them as done. Beside each task, there's a checkbox. Clicking this conveys a small yet satisfying sense of accomplishment. Seeing tasks getting checked off can be a huge motivational boost, providing a visual representation of your progress. And there you have it. A straightforward yet highly effective system to keep you productive. By regularly using Pomofocus Timer, you'll find yourself in a rhythm where distractions are minimized and efficiency is optimized. Give it a shot and notice how it transforms the way you work. Thanks for watching and happy focusing.